In this video, I'll show you the best and safest way to increase your Snap score on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat and head to your profile by tapping the Bitmoji in the top left corner. From your profile, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right. Scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out to log out of your account. Now, tap on Sign Up in the bottom left corner. From here, we'll create multiple accounts. I'll show you how to use them later to increase your Snap score. Give it a random name and password because we don't need to log in again. Once it requests an email, go to your browser and search for an email generator. Choose a website like TempMail. Once it generates an email, copy it and paste it back into Snapchat. Tap on Continue. You can skip the phone number step by typing Skip in the top right corner. You have yourself a new Snapchat account. Repeat this process to create more accounts. To add them, search for your main account, add yourself, then go back to your main account and accept the requests. Now, create a shortcut by tapping the plus button, choose all the accounts you've created, give it an emoji, and create the shortcut. To increase your Snap score, tap the plus button, scroll down, and find the multi-snap option. Take up to 8 snaps, tap Next, choose the shortcut, and tap Send. You've earned lots of Snap points. If you've created 10 fake accounts, you can earn 80 Snap score points in one operation. You can do this many times in an hour to earn even more Snap score. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.